दर्शनो यादस्तीक भेटवण जो मेरेन चालू आसा तो मेरेन तुमकां सगळ्यांक परतून एक फावट सांगता आज फाल्यां आनी परवा अशे 3 दीस हो काजू महोत्सव चालू आसतलो। सकाळी कला अकादमीन लेक्चर्स आसतली वेगवेगळ्या विशयांचेर आणि सांजचे ह्या स्टेजीर तशेंच फुडें जी सनडाउनर्स म्हणून स्टेज घाल्या थंय बी तुमकां खूप सुंदर अशे लोकल तशेंच नॅशनल लेवल आर्टिस्टांचे कार्यक्रम पळोवपाक मेळटले। सगळ्यांनी जरूर आणि मुजरत हाजिरी दिवची ह्या 3 दिसां खातीर आणि हो फेस्टिवल उपाट असो यशस्वी करचो अशा आयोजकांच्या वतीन हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक तुमचे लागीं मागता। कार्यावळीच्या निमण्या पावंड्यार हांव मागता जनरल मॅनेजर GFDCL श्री अमर हेबळेकर हांचे लागीं की तांणी सगळ्यांचे उपकार मानचे।
Thank you is such a prayer that cannot be seen or touched. It must be felt by heart. I feel honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this special occasion. As you all know, the organization of a festival of this magnitude is generally the result of close cooperation among several institutions and individuals. This event is a collaborative effort, a joint venture, mainly of 3 institutions. They are the Government of Goa. We are highly appreciative of the leadership, encouragement and extensive support provided by the Government of Goa for making the small effort of last year of Cashew Festival to a state event this year. On behalf of GFDC, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Minister of Art and Culture, Sri Govind Gowde, and to Dr. Ganesh Gaonkar, Chairman of GDC, and to Honorable MLA Daji Sarkar for gracing us with their presence on this Cashew Festival Season 2. Your support and encouragement have been invaluable in making this event a resounding success. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and our Honorable Minister of Forests, Sri Vishwajit Rane, and Honorable Mayor, Sri Rohit Monserrat, for their unwavering support in conceptualizing and executing this event. Thanks also to the Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, Sri Kamal Datta, and Chief Wildlife Warden, Sri Umakantji, and Sri Praveen Kumar Raghav, Chief Conservator of Forests, for their constant support and guidance for the organization of this event. Thanks to the Director of Agriculture, Sri Neville Afonso. He has been our constant supporter and real performance of his responsibilities, and to his team of officers, Sri Kishore Bhave, Sri Srikant Mone, Sri Kashinath Naik, and to all zonal agricultural officers and agricultural officers of the state. To the Director of Industries and to Sri Omkar Asolkar, to the Department of Excise and other government departments for assisting us in playing a pivotal role in ensuring this program as a success. The second partner of this festival are the various stakeholders, the farmers, the distillers, the retailers, and the culinary artists who give shape, create and present the cashew as a piece of art. I have no words strong enough to express my gratitude to Sri Gurudat Bhakta, to Sri Rohit Jate, Siddharth Jate, to Professor Abdul Razak of Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, Vaibhav Savekar, Vindesh Shirodkar, Yash Savardekar, Raj Divkar, Kerlil Gomes, Anand Shirodkar, Dr. Sneha Bhagwat, Dr. Jyoti Sardesai, Prahlad Suktankar, Prachet Sancheti, Aparna Bhatia. They have all been with us from day one in planning and structuring this event to bring it to fruition. The technical sessions served as a platform for knowledge exchange, innovation, and collaboration, bringing together experts, practitioners, and enthusiasts from various fields. Under the able guidance of Director of Industries, the session provided invaluable insights, practical solutions, and thought-provoking discussions that have enriched our understanding and inspired new avenues of exploration. Special thanks to Dr. Venkatesh Hubali, Directorate of Cashew Nut and Cocoa Development, Cochin, and to Sri M.G. Nayak, Principal Scientist of ICR Puttur, Sri Dada Saheb Desai, for their presence here. They have brought to our knowledge the technologies in cashew and client needs with special reference to Goa. Special mention of thanks to Dr. Pradeep Sarmukadam, Anura Bale, Varsha Naik, Bikram Kumar Sethi, Rajendra Jadhav. The third partner is the Goa Forest Development Corporation, my own institution. It is said that self-praise is no recommendation. However, I must say that the incredible leadership, advice, and the freedom in decision-making provided by our chairperson and Honorable MLA, Dr. Devia Rane, has been indispensable for this program. We are grateful for your dedication to fostering growth and prosperity of our organization and for the cashew community. Your presence here today has added prestige to our festival, and we are honored to have had the opportunity to showcase the rich heritage and potential of the cashew industry under your esteemed patronage. Special mention of thanks to Aral, Aditi, Komal, and their entire team for their tireless effort day and night in shaping up this festival. In addition to these three institutions, we acknowledge with gratitude the support provided by Rohit Makhija, Shakuntala Pinto, and to the police department for the seamless flow of traffic. Thanks to the media influencers, bloggers, and members of the print and visual media for giving wide publicity to this festival. Our sincere thanks to all the delegates for the technical sessions who are the raison d'etre of this event. Your participation in the technical sessions and then in this festival today has been a unique opportunity to learn from the country's best experts in the field of cashew farming and industry. I realize that I have missed a few other institutions and individuals who have been supporting us. I wish to be forgiven for not specifically expressing our gratitude. We look forward to your continued participation and support in the future as well, in this festival as well as in the promotion of cashew industry and cashew plantations as well. Thank you.
देव बरें करूं सर. सगळ्या मानेस्तांक मागता की तुम्ही सकल वचून बसचे फुडल्या रंगारंग कार्यावळीचो आस्वाद घेवचे खातीर आणि सगळ्यांच्या वतीन मना काळजा सावन स्वागत करता आदरणीय श्रीपाद भाऊ नाईक हांचे. येवकार सर.
For officially opening Cashew Fest Season 2. Well, it's lovely to see all you people here. It's a full house, Alfie.
Isn't that amazing? Come on, people, make some noise.
Can we hear you make some noise?
Beautiful.
It is absolutely fantastic. Alfie kept saying this when we started at about 4:35 in the evening, that last year we promised you bigger and better. And this certainly is bigger and better. Don't you think, Alfie?
Totally. And what is big, better, and beautiful is this glass I'm holding here. This is from Madam Rosa's fantastic pavilion.
Ooh.
And anyone who has this glass, not empty of course, stands a chance to win a silver coin. So don't waste time. Go there, get yourselves one of these glasses. And the question to win you the prize is the answers in and around the glass.
Ooh.
So that's all that I can say. Go there. There are so many other amazing stalls where you can go and either get your fix at stall number 6.
Get your fix at stall number 6.
Get some squids at number 17, Galo de Goa.
We've got Goa Feni actually at stall number 6, where you can go in and get your Feni fix. But one thing I want to tell you, that Alfie has given a lot away with the glass that he's holding from Madame Rosa. That having said, considering this is our first hello to them, Alfie, we've not really said hello. Do you want to go ahead? By the way, this is my co-host, Alfie. He's going to be here for all 3 days of the Cashew Festival 2024.
Yes, I'm going to try and dress as snazzily as she is today. So tomorrow, don't be surprised if you see me in a sari, okay? But more importantly, we've left this empty space. We're not having a march past over here. Please remember this. This is a dance floor right from here to there. And we're going to pick out some groups who are dancing and give you some special rewards.
Yes. We've got exciting prizes, lots of amazing music, and of course, so many food stalls to choose from. Lots of food, lots of drinks, and and national artists that are going to be gracing the stage. And of course, our very beloved musicians and artists from Goa, fashion shows, and so
That's
much more.
tomorrow. Well,
Yes.
Speaking of artists, right there is Ravi Kiran Parameshwari. He's a renowned artist, and he is painting something unique and special right now. So go
Ooh.
there at the Madame Rosa stall and see what he has. But to get you started on your journey, you know, people, when you enter, just go to the Casca stall and ask for a shot of Fentiro.
Fentiro, is that
Fentiro,
it? My God,
yes.
we want to try and pack everything in a very short while because the band that's going to be starting day one is here and they're ready to rock, rumble and roll. The moment they give us a thumbs up, we're out of the way. One thumbs up and here we are. Alfie, are you excited?
I am super excited the minute I see some people on the floor ready to dance. You know, when you dance, whatever you're drinking tastes better and it builds up your appetite so you can go and eat some more and have some fun.
By the way, any of you have a sweet tooth over here, I've got some exciting news for you. We love our Nero, we love our Urak, but if you go to the ice cream man, it's right there. They've got a Nero ice cream. I mean, think of it.
I can't think of it. I got to go and taste it.
You
But
have to go to the ice cream man and try the Nero ice cream.
you don't know what's the best part.
What?
You buy the gelato,
Yeah.
you get the drinks free.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
You buy the gelato, get the drinks free.
Gelato for nothing and Fenny for free. To borrow a phrase from Money for Nothing. Yeah, Dire Straits.
Okay. Guys,
Are you ready?
Are you ready? We've got a full house on day one. We need to hear some noise. Are you ready?
तुमच्या लोकांक inside मातशें. Your side, ask your people.
Oh, Gara
Be
Kondlo
ready,
kaha? Hello, are you here? Can I hear you make some
तुम्ही
noise?
मुझे मुनशे. Are you ready?
Alfie.
Hey, my people are more.
Alfie.
My people got more strength.
Alfie, Urakui gelna bitor Feniu gelna. There's no drink has happened as
Yes,
yet.
yes, I
That's
can
why
see.
there's no noise. You've not had your first shot of Urak or Feni or beer or something because I can't hear you. Alfie's side is doing better. Can I hear you make some noise?
साबार बातम्यो आमच्या रिपोर्टरांनी आमच्या कडेन धाडिल्ल्यो आसात.
आयज गोंयांत कितें घडलें आयज पणजेन खुबश्यो घडामोडी जाल्यात.
मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान सांगलें गोंय हें शांतीप्रिय राज्य जावन आसा.
रिपोर्टर आमच्या कडेन